Saber RD comes with a large selection of component models and a wide variety of tools for creating custom models. However, there are times when the only model available for a part is in the form of a SPICE macro model from a component manufacturer. In these cases, SPICE format can be converted directly into Saber format. For most SPICE macro models, conversion to Saber format is simple. There are 4 tasks that need to be done. A custom part library needs to be made available to hold the macro model. The macro model's SPICE netlist needs to be converted to masked HDL. A schematic symbol needs to be associated with it, and the custom part library needs to be compiled. Creating a custom library is done by bringing up the local menu in the library pane with the right-hand mouse button and selecting New Library. The library appears as a folder in the library pane. Hovering over the new library and bringing up the local menu shows an entry for importing SPICE. Navigation to the SPICE model's netlist and opening it brings up a dialog indicating that the model is ready to be copied to the library. Selecting Copy brings up the SPICE wizard. A symbol is automatically created. An appropriate shape is selected. Notice that the connections are random and need to be corrected. The correct connections are determined by looking at the original netlist under the SPICE File tab. Corrections are made by dragging the pins to the correct locations. Clicking Finish executes the conversion. The final step is compiling the custom part library. This is accomplished by hovering over it and selecting Compile Library from the local menu. The new model is now ready to be used in any design. There is another option for converting SPICE models. The SPICE to Saber translator can be found in the Modeling Tools palette. Its operation is less automated, but offers additional options for SPICE models that may be more difficult to convert. The details of its operation can be found in the Saber RD user manual. Sometimes problems can arise when converting SPICE models. There are many versions of SPICE available in the industry and no official standard format. Nearly all the commercial SPICE simulators are supersets of SPICE 3, which was developed by California at Berkeley. The SPICE converters in Saber RD supports models from HSPICE and PSPICE. If the model is intended for a different version of SPICE, the model will still likely be successfully converted, but there can be cases when issues arise. In most cases, these problems can be solved by simple changes to the model. If necessary, contact Synopsys Support Center for assistance.